Welcome to example 2 in the notes. So in this example, we're trying to find the missing angle. The missing angle is x right here. So the first thing we do is we label our sides appropriately. So what sides do I have? Well, first I notice that I have a 25 here, and because the 25 is across from the 90-degree angle, this is my hypotenuse, okay? Secondly, I notice that I have a 16 that's right next to the missing angle, and that is my adjacent side. Now, notice, I guess I could label my opposite side here across from the angle, but it doesn't have a number, so I'm actually gonna not label it, and this will help you out a little bit. It'll save you a little bit of time, okay? So if you see something that you don't have, feel free to just not label it. All right, now I have the hypotenuse and I have the adjacent, and I have to figure out which formula contains those exact two items. So is it formula number 1? Nope, because formula number 1 is opposite over hypotenuse. I don't have the opposite side. Is it formula number 2? It actually looks like it is, because formula number 2, I need adjacent, which I have here, and I need hypotenuse, which I have here. So I'm going to use formula 2. So I'm going to write down that theta equals, let me just go over a little bit, inverse cosine of adjacent, which is 16, so I'm going to put the 16 on the numerator, over hypotenuse, which is 25. And I literally, I'm gonna stop there and I'm gonna type all of this in my calculator. I love these problems because there's not a lot of algebra to do. Because I'm looking for my missing angle theta, well, you can call it x or theta, it doesn't really matter. Theta just stands for the missing angle. I literally don't have to do any calculations because it's already by itself. So let's go to our trusty calculator and we're gonna type in, let me turn it on, inverse cosine, whoops, I think that light is a little too bright there. Let me go down like that. And inverse cosine of adjacent over hypotenuse. So 16 divided by, whoops, 25. All right, and you type that in, and all you do is hit enter, and you get 50.2 degrees. So the answer to this question is 50.2 degrees. Okay, and again, you can, if you don't have a fancy calculator, you can do this in your cell phone. I believe if you go to your calculator and you turn it sideways, there's a way to do inverse cosine. You might have to type in the fraction, then hit inverse cosine, and you can play around with it. You guys are more tech savvy than I am. Or you can also go on your computer and find a scientific calculator that's free and type it in. Okay, so good luck, and I will see you in the next video.